Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to completely delete the saved passwords on your iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down, click on the passwords. Then you are going to be asked for your passcode or Face ID. After logging in, you just want to click edit and then select the password that you would like to delete or multiple passwords. So I'm just going to use this one and then click delete. So here you have the information that they are going to be recently deleted, and after 30 days they are going to be permanently deleted. So delete shared password, and then this password is going to be right here and recently deleted, and by clicking select you can select the password that you would like to delete completely. So if you click on this one and then click delete, it is going to be deleted completely, and it is going to be removed from iCloud passwords and keychain on all your devices. So you cannot undo this action. So click delete shared password and voila, this is it. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.